Well, good morning. Another video today at the Arc. At the moment, we're at Andy's Munchbox. Just had breakfast. Shortly, we'll be going up to the Arc, hopefully, to put the bikes on. Tim the welder is here, so I'll turn you around so you can see everything. There's that Scotty there, yapping. Lovely food here. Are you going up, Tim? You going up? Yeah, alright. Right, we're going up the yard. Scotty can stay here and yap all day like he always does. You know what Scotty's like. He's a yapper. Got Andy with me again here today. So, right guys, I'll see you when we get up there. Wow. Guys, we're back up the yard. Well, just waiting for Scotty to turn up. He was right behind me. I don't know where he is. Dyer must have forgot about the wood then. Well guys, I'm afraid the bikes are not going on the Arc today because Scotty's arranged for people to come and give us a hand to put the bikes on has not turned up. You know what things are like, innit? You ask somebody to come up and do something, pay you to do it, and they don't turn up. So that's it. So he's just concentrating on getting the artic finished because he's got to put brackets up to put the handrails on. The platforms is going above the axles on the Artic, so the crane's all in. So I'll take you over and we'll have a look what's going on.
A lot of fucking about, we just have to put the other one into the top. I got the plate before possible. You know what I mean? Yeah, because I never thought about that. If that's there, when you come in, take the bike out, go that way. When them bikes, they'll come here. Is that better to have a bridge there? These buttons can go here. But I still want one there because I don't think we'll get. They were all packed on there, weren't they, Jay?
Yeah.
How many lamp buttons is it? 17?
18.
18. Ah, we'll get the bottoms on there easy. What will we? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 18. So some of all the other bikes go there. Oh yeah, they're going there. I think that's the way to go, Tim, isn't it? I was thinking, get it up there, but are we going to get it up? If we ain't got, yeah, you have steps, wouldn't you? We'll still have that up there. Still have that up there, and we'll put these here. Because that'll stop anybody nicking anything this way anyway. Because they're tight in, that's the point. Comments on the video, please.
Fuck me, it'd be all in by the time we get a comment.
Because I kept thinking that they there would walk out that way, so we wanted this clear. But I've got a curtain side of there, and we'll just have a bridge and walk it off.
Yeah, that's right.
What Joey used to do.
Yeah.
All the platforms are gone, but it was just this. But their lamp buttons used to be at the back on that side.
See.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the handrails was packed. The handrails was packed on a shelf up there.
Yeah.
And some of the animals and all that was up there.
Yeah.
Yeah. But like you can put the bikes there.
Yeah.
But like you say, if you put that frame there, you take a lamp batten out, right? Then once the lamp battens are gone, you can walk right out there with the bikes.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
And they'll all go out first. Lamp buttons and the upright. Yeah, that's what. Obviously you're heading. We can still put that square up there, but we can put these. We're going to work out the measurement for there. I know you took it down.
See, because even like if you walk in there with an upright,
yeah,
they'll go in between there, and then you just slide them through and slot them in the next one.
Back there.
Well, that's how your boy got them out.
Yeah, I know that, but that arm one is the way. Oh no, that'll go there. The other side.
Yeah. Right.
That's the way you will it to, right?
Yeah, that'll do then, Tim.
So you're having one there. How many you got of them?
Two.
Two. So one's going here.
Yeah, yeah. On there, Tim, you can put a bit of box across there and a bit of box across there, and then weld this on top of the box, and then that one will have to have a piece going up. That one could go to that pole. What do you think? Oh yeah, one beyond it. Because that will be able to go. Yes, it will. It can just get the back of it, can't it? And then work the top out. Because these were tight to get in.
Yeah. You put that now. That one's going here.
I could be using that one, Tim.
So I can't turn the juice down on that one.
Oh right, yeah, same
So
one.
I'm using a 2.5 mil rod at nearly 300 amps.
Yeah. I don't know if you want to put a piece of box down to weld to that, so it welds it better in this end, or what? All that plate, Tim, do you want to cut a bit of that plate stuff up I got, look?
I'll have a look like it there.
Just from there to there, yeah. Because if you put this on box, you'll have to put that on box.
This stuff here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit. Yeah, I wanted it on share, so Brian would, I could share it and Brian would.
Yeah, that's right. I'll try and see if I can get it on share. See, because I've also stuck it on YouTube.
Yeah, yeah.
Because Brian will see it, because he don't go on Facebook. He said that to me. He keeps asking me when I see Brian. He says when you're putting the next video on YouTube, because that's how he watches it, not on Facebook.
Yeah, that's the end of it now. I can't have it where they're here and they're not here. Yeah, I'll be up bringing some money to pay for.
Yeah, and you don't know. Yeah, I know what you mean.
And then they don't come up. We're in it, and I'm paying for everything.
Yeah.
I'm paying for Tim. That ain't cheap. Pay for expert. I'm looking at Tom, I'm telling him he's ready now.
There's a few bits in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
I wonder if Dyer's put any wood in there.
No, because he wouldn't have got it in there, look.
Yeah, I know, he would have had a struggle to get that down, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
Hey? Yeah, he said he was just going to stick it in the back of the Arctic there.
Gone and the brushed away. Set's gone off, Tim.
No, it hadn't. It's just died down a bit.
No diffusing.
That set's alright. When I go to the rally, they said, we don't want you to run a generator, we want to run you with the engines. Yeah, that's perfect.
Oh, with their steam engines. Yeah.
Because that cable will still come out 110 to the box or to the set.
Yeah. Hey? Well, all depends what those steam engine chucks out.
Yeah. But I mean, as long as it's 110. See, I'll have you give me a hand to do these lamp bands because I've got to take them down. That's another thing why I don't want to put the bikes on yet. Because they've got to give me 2 days notice. I've got to take all them down, take all the lights off. That's not cool, just rip them out. Customers on, but I'm not a new customer, he's took me money.
Do you think he's gone?
He's on. So he knows I'm giving it fuck.
So what we was on about the lamp bands?
Take them down while they're not there, then we can put them on the handrail, turn them over, just leave them on, and then just take all the lights out. And that'll make me, because you can't use them like that, they're all broken.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
They're fucking shit. And that'll make me then go and get these new ones. The only thing is with the new one, the only thing with the new ones with the light bulb in, they're going to be too small.
What, you're having a proper light bulb, are you?
Yeah.
Like a household light bulb?
Yes, LED. Taking it back to how it was. And
But the
then they'll run that
LED,
way.
yeah?
Yeah, and they'll run that way.
Oh yeah?
From one to the other.
Yeah, they ain't gonna fit through there.
No. No. But that don't matter because the bulbs have got gaps in them, so you can put them down.
Well, you can turn them on their side, slide them in, then turn them up.
Yeah, but the
Yeah?
but that's all right for the first one.
Right?
That's there. When you put the second one in,
Yeah.
you can have it. But
No.
just for now, I'll bring it in here and put them on the floor, and then put wood across.
Yeah.
Like we used to.
Like on top of Henry's.
Yeah.
Yeah, we saw buttons going across
Yeah,
each
that's
row.
it.
Yeah,
so
on
there's
top of the
6
ceilings.
inches between
Yeah.
them. Some mainway might come up in the next couple of weeks because I've now put some money in the account to budget for everything I need now. Do away with that and just have a live but 230 flashing box. I can even have 2 flashing boxes. One will just add on, every other one's on, and then turn them off and have every other one still on. It doesn't fucking matter. I keep pushing these damn things. I'm going to do wonders when I get an art. Fucking hell, they won't like me. I've been here 12 months.
Yeah, well, we've been here 12 months now, haven't we? I think it's what, 200 or something videos I've done?
Yeah. Well, when we first come here, it rained, didn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Didn't it?
I think when we levelled the centre, didn't we? Got the axles out, levelled the centre, and then it rained.
Yeah. Because I want mine lowering these up so the tilt's level. But I think this height here, where the hill is there, it's got to be a certain height.
Later on, it might be worth to have alley ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, because these are fucking heavy. Yeah, I carried one on my shoulder. Oh, fuck me. No, nothing. Having a bad day.
What were you, Tim? Jay's got those. I've got any parking up here, you can come with us, we'll...
Well, at least if you took the Walters to shows, right, you get the money you get from that to pay for this.
I'll never get my money back on this one, but the employment, I've always wanted to own one. I want to get it open, I've done it.
Yeah.
Two things in life I want to do always. Have my own arm since a kid, and I knew I was going to have one. And do Route 66.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and make love to Tim White. But that will never happen, will it? He loves it too much.
A supermodel, isn't she?
I
Do I don't tell him she has to sleep with.
should sleep with her.
She's like me, I don't do big words, she don't do big words.
I'm on a diet, Tim. Give me a mum.
I don't think you still have a look like me though. This is what she likes.
I'll wear a body stocking. I'll get a skiing fucking suit. They pull you in, don't they? But divers suit.
Yeah.
Muff diving.
Yeah, muff diving. Yeah, we like muff diving.
It's like Dyer. I'm getting him to do inside the pay box because it's like a waltzer car.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Because that there, I'll most probably have a flat top.
Yeah. What, and one the other side?
Yeah. And then that side, you just got one up.
Yeah. Yeah. Henry had 4 on his, didn't he?
Yeah.
4 big long fucking black ones.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
They were big.
Yeah. We used to put the hooks up first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
And then we had a stand on the handrail.
Yeah.
Yeah. One side in the handle and the other side in the other handle.
Made one where they stayed on.
Yeah.
And we putting it up, and I was going, yeah, we'll get it up. Fuck me, it was heavy.
Yeah. Probably because it's rusty there, isn't it? Woo, fucking look at that. Blinds us, isn't it, for a bit. Look at that blue light through the camera. He ain't going nowhere. It's alright, I'm on Zoom.
I want to weld a bit of box for the outside. It's galving.
Oh, yeah, well, it'll be all the blue shit.
Yeah, all the sparks.
Get that, and then we're done, ain't we? I can't do nothing else then till I've got to work out the end or just the other side here for the handrails and shutters, and then the front, then all the front, all the tops, and do the back end, I think. Because they're too long, they are, but you can put them up right.
See, it's like Shane said, on the back there, if you have an L bracket coming out, then there can go up, slide in, up, slide in.
Yeah. That's what'll happen, because the gap, there's something wrong with them, because some of them, oh no, one of them, they never made an handrail, because I used the old handrail over there. Yeah, get that black button done, then that's a big headache, because when the testing man comes, there's no lights on, he'll be happy. When you've got lights on, well, I'll cut the plugs off anyway. Through the week, if he has a day off, or it might be today now, we'll cut off all the old irons to the thing. All the old irons to the bar.
Yeah.
I wasn't happy with that bar.
No.
Now I've lifted one. I've got one in here, they're fit. They won't make that. I'm just going to go and have all them dry powder coated.
Oh yeah. So you keeping them, are you?
Yeah. Well, I ain't going to rush to Scotland just to buy a set.
No, no.
I want to go up there because I wanted to put an inside bike on. But I'm going to wait to get these on. I might have to buy a complete set because these might come up a bigger ride, which I think they are Maxwell, with a bigger platform. And looking at the pictures on the video, they're hard to walk through between the platforms.
Yeah.
So if that's hard, I know it now, I'm just going to go get another set, but they've got to come up with small arc. But the small arc, there's not many got the motorbikes. They've got stupid stuff, chickens and
Yeah.
all that lot.
Because those motorbikes are American choppers.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the wheel goes past the end of the platform
Yes.
where it comes down, so you can't walk in between.
No. Go over. I don't want that. I want it in. But the good thing about that one, when they're falling off, they're not going to fall off.
No, are they? No.
I want one to fall off for the publicity, but it might be too much. No, I don't want no one falling off.
That was warm.
But that's worked out alright. I've just got to get some thin steel, and I'm going to steel that floor. Because they'll slide in better, because we had a job in with the woods. It's all learning stupid things, you know. If it gives me too grief, she'll be a little waltzer.
Hey?
If it gives me too much grief, that'll end up as a little waltzer.
Where are you going to get the cars from?
Yeah, they're for sale. There's a few sets for sale.
Are there?
And no, Dyer can't make. You can make the cars. but then you have to have the rings and that. So
Yeah.
that's where it goes back to having the right size platform.
Yeah.
Because as the car digs into the next platform.
Yeah. Henry's done that.
That one David had off bike legs, the first one, the arc up.
Yeah.
I did like that one, and there's nothing ever beat it because you spin the car, leave it, and then when you walk around, if it did stop, you just flick it the other way, and by the time you walked around, it might have stopped or it might be giving it fuck. I used to lift the back up, bang it down, and be, ugh. You know, oh, thank you for your change, sir.
Oh.
It all takes time. Like I've loaded now, ready for tonight. I'll do this today. I'll go to Central Park later on. I'm going to probably pick some of my grandkids up, show them where their granddad worked, and go to then 5 o'clock. I'm off up to Preston. All these bit of mould on them because they've been out not covered.
So the platform's got them on swamp.
Yeah, I see that. But we'll wash them off, brush them off, and then try and put the paint with them. But Brian ain't bothered. I've rung in. Everybody else has to make Fred rung in.
We've been there 4 times.
Yeah. I said to him at the beginning, if you can't afford it, don't come in. I'll do it. And he said, no, I'm retired. I'm getting my pension and all that. This is what we'll do. Because I can leave them at Brixton Valley to if I'm away, which I won't be because I'll give up there. On your head, I'm on the paint. So I tell you to hold it up.
Scott, you can hold that while he welds it? Yeah. Hold the metal. I know, it won't make no difference, I know, but
I'll pop the thumb in there.
nothing will happen, mate.
I'll hold it. And that one's got a rod in it, that end curtain, so we can do that as well, can't we? Got the rod. Got the drill. Yeah, I can't have Brian just go in and out when he wants. Just turn up. Hello, how are you? Yeah, I'm financially difficult. Once he sees the video, he might bring me up. Hello, mate. I'm on my way to you.
Yeah. Pink might fly.
Yeah, it's gone hard to go, but you just don't realise, you know, I can't do it all. You know. Yeah, sorry, Tim. Camera going. It's like them steps. I gotta buy 2 10-foot ones. I bought the other one.
Yeah, I know, don't rub it in.
Oh yes, I forgot, Jason.
Yes, don't rub it
I
in.
didn't get 10 foot. No, you only need that. Okay.
And they were too small.
Waste of money.
That was putting that fucking rail up there. The crossbar.
I'm gonna panel that in. So if you don't have it open, it'll still say Easy Rider.
Yeah, me and his boy said, no, you don't need them, because they were too small, weren't they? See, that's how you sharpen your pencil, isn't it?
Right, look,
And Andy, watch out into that ladder.
We won't hold it. It goes.
Why, where's it going to go?
Down there.
Down there.
It really has to be to the not on it. Yeah.
All right, mate? Yeah. Yeah. With the flat seat, the wheels are sticking out. The ones with the normal seats all like that are in tight like that, look.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Those two down there.
Yeah. Well, they've got the flat. Look there. Yeah, they're in that. Well, that one is, but the two types of fronts on them. The wheels stick out, and they're like that one's in, that one's out.
Yeah.
That might have to be a modification thing. I might have to bring it out. What?
I was just thinking that would be alright, wouldn't it?
What's that for?
The boat floor.
We'll take it.
Yeah. Thick enough, isn't it?
Want it? What's that one?
What is it?
Just there, but I'm not sure if it's
Eh?
I don't know if it's Boeing or flat.
Yeah, it looks like it's Boeing, doesn't it?
What, isn't it?
Yeah. Try it. Put it back.
Grab the bottom bit. That's it. Go around to you a bit. Hang on. That's it.
What are you looking for?
Little bolts.
Oh, little bolts, I don't know.
A bit there, Tim? You find the hole?
Yeah, it goes on the outside, yeah.
Right, well we'll have plenty because if we just do the ends, then we got them alley ones with the bolts in. Socket, you got a socket there. We can take the number bolt out of the
Those bolts were that long.
oh, were they?
Yeah. Only 5 mil.
Something in there, I don't know. But I need the lot.
Got my drill bit set in the car, haven't I? Yeah, I need to take that one on.
Well, I got it on on that alley. Have you got no bolt for them alley bolts? Take them out. All that one.
There we go. We got him out.
Oh, different size nuts.
I am now.
Tim, did you do that ring this side?
Done it.
Yeah, there on the right next to Andy. see, it's like on a ratchet system.
Yeah, it's fuck this one.
Oh, the teeth are worn on it, innit?
Yeah. Fucking marvellous, isn't it? Pull it down. That's him. Ah, can't watch the lights. That was it. With the light too. To the first light. Yeah,
Down there.
that's right.
He's here.
Right.
Right.
Right. Just pull it down. Put it to the other one. Feel the light? There he is, there, isn't he?
Yeah, there. Yeah. Come on, that's him. Yeah, don't cut through that. Mind your legs.
Yeah, just pull it out a bit. Pull it out a bit, that far. See, that's up to that M lock.
Yeah. Looks right, doesn't it?
Yeah.